Working capital is the cash a new concrete business uses to pay day-to-day expenses and keep operations running between invoice and payment cycles. Working capital equals current assets minus current liabilities, and for a concrete company, that means cash on hand plus accounts receivable and inventory less short-term debts and payables. Prioritize quick invoicing and clear payment terms to reduce days sales outstanding. Send invoices the same day work is complete and follow a fixed reminder schedule. Manage materials by ordering only what you need for scheduled jobs and negotiate delivery and payment terms with suppliers so you avoid tying up cash in excess inventory. Track labor costs by using simple job costing per project so you know which crews and tasks are profitable and can adjust scheduling to avoid overtime drain. Use a basic rolling cash flow forecast that covers at least 4 weeks and updates with actuals twice a week so you see gaps before they become emergencies. Keep credit lines small and flexible for short-term bridging rather than relying on long-term borrowing that increases fixed costs. Common mistakes include overbuying materials, which locks cash in stock and causes shortages for higher priority jobs, so buy just in time and establish a vendor hold or consignment where possible. Another issue is slow invoicing and lax collections, which stretch the cash conversion cycle. Set firm payment terms, require deposits when practical, and use progressive billing for long jobs. A third problem is underestimating job costs, which leads to unprofitable bids and cash shortfalls. Use conservative estimates, include contingency, and review past jobs monthly to refine your pricing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors, so we can help you find local jobs and local customers for your concrete services. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from peers so our members can grow revenue and manage working capital better.